BeardofPOP here, and today we're going to do a mail call. Stay tuned. Well, hey guys, today I thought I'd change it up a little bit and we're going to do a mail call. I've got some packages I got from eBay and Mercari, and maybe a few trades. I'm not sure exactly what everything is yet, but let's go ahead and get started and open some stuff up. This one is the Target exclusive glow-in-the-dark Twinkie. I've been wanting to get this one to add to my Ad Icons collection. The next package looks like it's also something I purchased on eBay. Let's take a look, see what's going on here. Well, it is wrapped in a bag. Oh, this was a trade. And this is very, very awesome. I've been waiting to get this. This is the Walmart exclusive glow-in-the-dark Mysterio. Let's see what this one is here. I am not sure. It doesn't say eBay or Mercari on it. Maybe a trade. Let's take a look. Let's see what's in here. I know it'll be safe because they reused the Shimi packing, and you know how well Shimi packs. Oh, this one even came in a protector box here. Oh, and this is yet another Ad Icon. This is the Target exclusive Sugar Bear. I think he's pretty cool. Something good to add to the Ad Icons collection. I'm a little bit late to that party, but I'm going to go ahead and try to collect some of them. Alright, this next one, go ahead and open. Seems like it's from eBay. Yes, this is one from eBay. This is the Flash, Captain Cold. No, it's just a common, but there's a few of these that I'd like to get, and this one's one. I do enjoy this television show. I got some of the Arrow ones back there as well. Alright, we got one last package here. This one is from Mercari. It's packed very tightly, it feels. You know sometimes what happens when you pack pops too well. So let's hope that this comes out well. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Oh, it's actually in a box, so that's why. And it's wrapped in bubble wrap. Open. Yes, it's in a sorter box there, so I don't have any worries about that. Yeah, this is the DC Legends Hawkgirl 2016 New York Comic Con Limited Edition. It's from the DC Legends of Tomorrow. This is another show I liked and wanted to pick up this pop to kind of add to the collection of some shows that I like to watch. Well, thank you, and I appreciate you joining me today. And as always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you really like my content, click the little bell in the corner to be reminded of my next video.